How to turn off in-app likes notifications on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off in-app likes notifications settings on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and then click profile, and here in the top corner you will find the story lines. Click on it and then click settings and privacy, and here scroll down until you find push notifications, and after you find it just click in-app notifications, and as you see here in the top you will find likes. All you need to do is just turn it off just by one click, and then now just go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.